There's a fall around every corner. That's what my student said to me when we were talking about choice of speed when you're turning corners. So when you're in a town and you're turning bog standard normal turns, some of them can be a bit tricky because there's loads of parked cars around, and some of them are easier than others because of how many curved stones there are in the curb and stuff like that. So if it's a bog standard normal turn, if it's clear, second gear. If it becomes sharper or there's lots of parked cars around, then we may even need to go slower and go down into first. And that's because we can't see. Okay, it's all about vision. It's all about what we can see. So if anything blocks your view, it's called a closed junction. Okay, so you can't see, it's closed. So you may have to go down into first. Open means you can see, closed means you can't. So you can put it into category of easy and hard as well. So my student, when we were discussing this, there's a fall round every corner. If we go too fast and select the wrong gear, maybe if we're in third or we use second for a very nasty turn, we may go quite wide and go past the line, which would be dangerous because if somebody's coming the other way, even that would be us being the fool, by the way, because we'd be over the line. But if anybody has got bad position as well, then that could be a problem. We also may turn into a turn and then there's a parked car like parked right next to the junction, like on the double yellow lines or right at the mouth of the road, which makes it incredibly difficult. So maybe you could call the parked car the fool in this situation. But if you're turning and somebody's got bad position or they're coming up really fast, they're the fool. But we don't want to be the fool in these situations. We need to choose the correct speed so we can have excellent position. If you can't see, go slower. Choose a lower gear so that you can see and have excellent position. All right. So in a town, usually speaking, if it's clear, second gear. If it's easy, second gear. And if it's closed, you can't see or you need to give way, then it's going to be first gear. Okay. Hope that helps.